Want to understand how to promote intuitively? Simple. Become your buyer. What would make you feel great about buying your product or service? All right, that's your beginning place. When you turn into your target market, you're on the correct path. See your product or service from their eyeballs and formulate your campaign to fit their needs. Once you market, provide your audience the message that they wish to hear. Produce content that makes your target audience feel great, not only about the product or service, but about deciding to purchase it. Keep your marketing in line with your moral values. Listen more to your gut feeling and less to outside marketing guru content. Center on what makes individuals feel great about your product or service. If you're marketing a beauty product, you help individuals look and feel better. If you're a lawyer, you assist your clients through hard situations, and you resolve troubles. Keep with that mentality, whatever your business is. The most beneficial marketing is feel-good marketing provided through effective storytelling. PR all comes down to telling a commanding story that engages the readers, spectators or listeners and causes them to assume action. And so, begin thinking about your marketing, advertising and PR in this way. Realize that your job is to exhibit your product or service by telling a commanding story with a call to action. Back away and see your business from this view. Begin to make a list of your most commanding stories. You're seeking success stories. How do you assist your customers or buyers? How do you affect their lives? Do you make their lives simpler, more gratifying? Remember, you're not selling your product or service, you're selling an experience, an emotion. You have to let your buyers know why they have to purchase from you. If you don't tell them, they won't understand, and the most beneficial way to tell them is with your winner stories. If you have a really narrow or particular target audience, say adult female over 40, then come up with winner stories that demonstrate how you meet their requirements. If your target market is less specific, say it's a nutritionary supplement that may be utilized by individuals of all ages, then dissect your target market into sections and come up with particular stories and messages that are contrived specifically to meet the requirements of those markets. Once arranging your marketing plan, drill down and drill deep. You wish to make your buyers feel great about their decision. You wish them to feel they've not only made the correct conclusion, they've made a bright conclusion. Remember, every individual who sees your PR, ad or marketing campaign has to feel that you're talking to him or her specifically. You need your buyers or clients to feel that you configured your product specifically to meet their certain needs. So, have a look at your present promotional campaign. Now turn into your buyer. What would make you feel great about making the buy? Write it in the comments below. And if you want a step-by-step training that makes it easy to follow along and you'll be learning from years of online business experience, check out the description below. You can find the best online programs that will give you the right and practical skills to get success. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe.